Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to set up Windows Sandbox on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to set up Windows Sandbox, you have to make sure that you are using higher version of your Windows. Suppose if you are using your lower version of your Windows, the Sandbox will not support on that OS. You have to use higher version of OS. After that, you have to just click on this start menu, then type here Windows Feature. You can see here turn Windows feature on or off. Click on this. You have to scroll down. You can see here Windows Sandbox. You have to just check mark this option, then click on OK. Then it will update your multiple Windows files. Then the Sandbox setup will be completed. That's it guys. So in this way you can set up Windows Sandbox on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please share and don't forget to subscribe.